Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our 15th tutorial of Power BI. In the previous class, we have learned the difference between fact and dimension table, and we have simply created the relationship after selecting same column name and drag and drop into another table. And now we have one more way to creating a relationship, and we will study in detail. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So go to our modeling tab, and I have deleted all the relationship which we have created in previous video. Select this option which is manage relationship, and new window has pop up. And here are two options which is new and the second one is auto detect. So if you click this option, then Power BI will auto detect the sum relationship. Let's check auto relationship first. So now click on auto detect and close. Now we guys can see here Power BI has automatically detected two relationship which is one to one between countries and product table and one to many between product and sales. So as I said, it will not detect all the relationship. It will only detect few relationship, and few have to create manually as per the requirement. As we know, we can create the relationship between countries and sales table with the help of the sales ID column, which is one to many. But let me delete this relationship first, which is one to one. We will talk about it later. So you can select this column and drag into it. So in this way, we can also create the relationship. So now I'm deleting all the relationship and we will talk more about the other relationships. Again, go to the manage relationship and this time I will select new. And from here, we need to select the table name. So I'll select sales table here and the second table which I'll select, which is product. And we guys can see it automatically detect the same column name, which is sales ID. And now come to this part, which is cardinality. In cardinality, we have four types of relationship, which is many to one, one to many, and many to many. And we will explain each and every relationship in detail. So first I will select many to one, which means sales table has foreign key and other table has primary key with the same column. So if you guys are confused with the foreign and primary key, so I would suggest please go and watch my previous two videos or else you can Google it. I am here selecting many to one and click OK and then close. And now we guys can see we have created the relationship between product and sales table, which is many to one. That means sales ID is foreign key for the sales table and primary key for the product table. So now let me delete this relationship and now we'll try with another table. Go to the manage relationship, then click on new and select the table name, which is sales. And this time I will select country and state. So it will automatically detect the same column name, which is many to one, and click OK and close. And we have created another relationship between country and sales column. So this is also another way of creating a relationship. So let me delete this and go to the manage relationship and new. And now we'll talk about some other relationship. And we guys know that sales ID is a foreign key for the sales table and primary key for the product table. So let's check, can we create one-to-one relationship? So click this cardinality and select one-to-one. So now we guys can see it's getting an error in a yellow plate, which is the cardinality you selected isn't valid for the relationship. That means we can't create one-to-one relationship between sales and product table because it is a combination of foreign and primary key. We can only do that if both has one-to-one relationship. That means both have primary key. So if I try many to one, that it will detect correct relationship. and it will give correct output without getting an error. But if I select any other relationship, then it will getting an same error like one to many, many to many. So we can only create one relationship which is many to one. That means sales ID has foreign key and product has primary key. I hope you guys are clear with the statement which is many to one and one to many and one to one. One to one basically means both tables should have primary key with the same column name. And many to one means one table has foreign key and the another table has primary key. And the third one is one to many. That means one table should have primary key and the other table has foreign key. Like if I select product here and I will select sales here, that means one to many. So cardinality has automatically detected one to many, which means primary key and foreign key. I hope you guys are clear with these three concepts, which is one to one to many, and many to one. And now moving towards the last relationship in cardinality, which is many to many. That means both table has foreign key, which means both table has multiple value. So let's see the table first before creating relationship. So go to the data view and I'll select sales table here. So we can see that we have repeated products in product table like milk, bread, butter, cake. That means product column is foreign key for sales table. And now go to the product table and here we can see that we have a list of repeated products, which means we can create many to many relationship between sales and product table. So with the help of product column, we can create many to many relationship. So now go to the modeling tab and click on manage relationship and click on new. You can select any table which is product sales. So I'll select product here this time. And now we have to change the column name, which is product. So I will select product column from the product table and product column from the sales table. And cardinality has automatically detected it is many to many relationship. That means both table has many to many values in one column. Let me click this OK and close. And we can see that many to many relationship has created. So we have learned 4 types of relationship in cardinality. So you guys, if you still have any doubt with the topics, so I would recommend go and watch this video again and do more practice. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and learned new things about Power BI. And in our upcoming videos, we will discuss about cross filtration in Power BI. So please like, share and subscribe this channel. And please share with those who really want to learn Power BI from scratch. And please stay tuned with us and more support this channel. Thank you so much guys for your support.